Totally we have 21 students, 14 are females, 7 are males, and their average age is 32, range from 22 to 56. And they are majoring in instructional design, instructional technology, math education, spatial education, nursing education, TESOL, and counseling. And their teaching experience of our participants range from 1 to 16 years, so the average is 5 years. Prior to the class, we give the students a survey, and they said that before the class, they have a little, 58% of participants identify themselves had a lot of experience with the computers and technology. And there are 42% of the participants, they say they had just little to some experience of computer. And then the other question is their experience and their knowledge of Web 2.0. So there are 74% of our participants identify themselves they had little experience or knowledge of Web 2.0. And there are 16% of our participants, they said that they had some experience and knowledge of Web 2.0.
So you will see a pattern that's very interesting, even though a lot of them rate themselves as have a lot of experience with computers and technology, but they only 26% that have little to some experience with Web 2.0 tools. Interesting data.
Our data were collected from the observation and the documentation, like our course material and the student's profile. And then we have archival records like the discussion board message, emails records, and the student's reflection. And then we also observe the students' projects and their presentation. And these data are based on the following survey at the end of this course. Okay, and these are the quotes from the student in week 3. So this is the initial response of their point of view of Web 2.0. So let's see the first one. They said that the Web 2.0 is a good tool for sharing information. What about the blog? They think that blog is good for the student for developing their thoughts and their writing. And the next one is wiki. Wiki is good for the teachers to share, display their links for students. And the last one is Facebook. This is they said this is good for them to keep in touch with professionals. So we asked the student to explore the social networking tools by themselves. So I'm going to go very quick, and I believe you guys are very familiar with blog, wiki, and Second Life, right? Okay, the Chalk site and the Education 2.0 are application for teachers to pull up their assignment, projects, their course on a site. And then the parents, the students, and the teachers, they can go there and then communicate on that site. The third one, LinkedIn and the Lean, these are social networking tools for professionals, okay? And Facebook, MySpace.com, and Deputy, they are just social networking tools for making friends, okay? And the last one, Sutri, is a video learning website. If you want to teach your kids how to edit their video, then you can give them this link, and they can also upload their video on this site. Okay. The second one is Twitter. Twitter is free micro blogging tools, and the next one is Delicious. This is a free bookmark tool, and the last one is free photo sharing tools. All right, so in week 7, the student, they decide which kind of Web 2.0 they want to use. So there are 38% of the participants, they decided they want to use Wiki. And there are 31% of the students, they decide they want to use block for their final project. And as you can see, the rest of them, they are like podcast, Moodle, Ning, and Google Page Creator, and Facebook. Okay. All right. So I'm going to show you a samples project from our participants. The first one, this is a collaborative wiki for the college student. And our participant, she is the instructor from AACE, the College of Art and Design. And this is a wiki page for her student. She put all the toy, because she is the toy design instructor. And she put all the toy, like history, and a lot of information on this site for her student.
Actually, student, they would be able to...
Yeah, they can also collaborate in this wiki. Yeah. And this is another example. This is a collaborative wiki for teachers. Okay. This participant, she created this wiki for the 4th grade teachers in her school. So as you can see, here is the navigator, and she has the like guestbook, table of contents, our mission, and our concern and contact information. And here is the table of content. It includes the calendar information, resource, and the resource for the teachers, for the parents, and curriculum, and their meeting and reflections. This one is, I mentioned that this is an application for teachers upload their course on the site, and this is Education 2.0. And our participants, he put his course on the Education 2.0, so the student can go here and review the lessons. And this one is a social networking on Ning. And this participant, after he finished this course, then he created this for our department, the Charter College of Education at California State, Los Angeles. All right. So after 11 weeks, our participants, they said they become more positive toward the learning and using the new technology. And then they also feel that they gain profound knowledge of educational application of Web 2.0. And then they also increase the confidence in computer skill and in integrating appropriately Web 2.0 tools into their classroom.
And we also did it's an ongoing study. We haven't really finished the analysis yet, but we look at advantages from teachers' perspective and their concerns and barriers, and also about how to design a class like this to teach teachers about Web 2.0 or new tools. But we want to focus our attention on the real teacher or the real teacher participant in our study here, and the reflection by this teacher, Sandra.
Hello.